Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year's coming up. This video will be dropping on the 27th, tomorrow, Saturday, every time, about around 8 a.m. PST. I'm gonna cook up something different. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna cook up, or we're not gonna cook up. I'm gonna show you how I made a hype ass Lil Tecca Don Toliver-ish type of beat. Different than Suicide Boys, but you can learn a thing or two. I learned a thing or two by making this. It's gonna be a real quick video. Gotta make it before the homie comes back, you know what I'm saying? So let's hop right in. So the first thing I did, Analog Lab. I went to Analog Lab and I found this weird this lead type shit right here. I was like, and we need something like synthy, you know, some saw wave type action. And we found that shit. And then I was like, repetitive arpeggio. So that's what we did. And then it just sounds so beautiful, sexy. And I was like, you know what? Like, this is repetitive, but we're gonna do some shit on the drums to mix it up. Or there's halftime and other shit. There's pitching up, bunch of shit you could do. So that's what I had in mind. And on top of that, this right here, we got a regular chord right here. We do this. Go down one semitone on the second chord. Sounds fucking spooky. That's what we did right here. Then, you know, we had to do it to him. Halftime. That's literally all we did. I threw halftime on this bad boy, you already know. And then you get this. So we got that. And then I was like, you know what? We need some of that 808 type shit, type beat type shit. So we did it. This right here, this type of 808 pattern, boom, boom, boom. It fits a lot of shit. Then I switched it up at the second half because I said I was gonna switch that shit up. Remember? You gotta make it extra spicy, sexy. If you want that Don Toliver, Lil Tecca type shit. This right here, bro. I had 3, and then I was like, I gotta add a 4th. Layer that with a kick, something more punchy. Versus like very sustained and just wow. It's like a little like snares. I started dabbling because I was listening to shit, bro. Every producer now has crazy shit like this. And I was like, okay, I'll try it too. I did that shit instead of just usually doing on every third beat, and then we get weird. Looks weird as dude. Weird, but it adds bounce. Believe it or not, you try shit when you do music. So I'll show you how it sounds without it, or without the bottom part. Look, and then with the rolls, or like the faster pattern. It's like with all that combined, we have a Lil Tecca X Don Toliver type beat. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but somewhere along those lines. Let's see. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And here we go with the beat real quick. Very sexy schmexy. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Have a good one, everyone.